Hey guys, welcome to Madihaz Cooking. I hope you all are well. Today we're going to be making guacamole. So let's get started. Here I have 3 ripe avocados. And with this, I'm just going to smash it. You can do chunky or you can do smooth. Okay, so here I mushed the avocado. Here I have 1 small minced garlic. Here I have 1 minced tomato. Here I have half of a small onion that I diced up. Just gonna add that in. And we're gonna mix this. Okay, so now we're going to add seasoning. Here I'm going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning. Just a sprinkle. Here I have lemon and pepper seasoning, just a little. Here I have paprika for spice, about 1 teaspoon, and I have garlic powder. I'm just gonna add that in, about 1.5 teaspoon, and I'm going to add salt to taste. And you can add salt to taste. I'm adding 1 teaspoon and we're just gonna mix that all together. So here I'm gonna add the rest crushed chili. And by the way, all spices go to your taste and your liking. Now I'm going to add just the smallest amount of vinegar. You can also add lemon, but I didn't have lemon, so I'm using vinegar for that nice sour touch. And there you go, your guacamole is ready. Okay guys, here's the final look. I hope you guys like this recipe. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.